Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Purna Educare, a YouTube channel which is mainly focusing on providing the job notifications and UGC NET Paper 1 free coaching, so as well as some interview related questions and answers. So you can see many general things over my channel. I hope you clearly understood about my channel. So before going to the main content of the video, just you don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. Now we are planning to moving to the main content, that is faculty recruitment with online interview. Yes, so the main content moving forward. So Tejpur University is one of the central universities in India, so which is located at Tejpur in Assam state. So this university has released a notification regarding the filling the guest faculty positions in the universities. So interested candidates can apply with their biodata, and they can just move with online interviews. So for the more moving forward to the main details, you can see here we have some departments under which the positions are going to be filled by the university officials. Now we can see the first one is a computer science and engineering. So subject, computer science and information technology is a subject area or specialization where the faculty has to deal. So eligibility criteria for it is like BE or BTech or BSc or ME, ME, MTech, MS or integrated, whatever it might be. So in the relevant branches, or the first class or the equivalent to any of the degrees is the eligibility for the computer science. So for the food engineering and technology, we have the BE, BTech, BS 4 years in any discipline, and ME, MTech, MS 2 years in the relevant branch. So with the first class or equivalent to the one of the degrees. Then one is the molecular biology and biotechnology. So eligibility, we have the 55% in the master's degree. So in concerned relevant subjects. Besides fulfilling, the candidate must have cleared the national eligibility test conducted by the UGC or CSIR, or a similar test accredited by the UGC like SLT or SET, or who are been awarded as a PhD degree in accordance with the University Grants Commission regulations 2009 and 2016 and their amendments from time to time, as the case may be, exempted from NET, SLET and SET. So you can see here that for the commerce, we have a specialization. For the commerce, we have the specialization, the persons who really wants to apply for the same, the specialization, the area of subjects, the area of the interest need to be dealt by the concerned faculty is like accounting, banking and the finance. So they have to hold either a national eligibility test certificate or the SET or SELT or PhD as recognized university is concerned. So next, so moving forward with regards to the online interview concerned, this online interview will be conducted on the Skype. You have to download the Skype and you have to register with the with your name, and so you will be generated with Skype ID. The Skype ID you have to mention in the resume which you will be submitted. So for the first computer science and engineering, the interview is on the 6th August 2020, that is Thursday 11 AM onwards. For the food engineering and technology, the interview will be conducted on the 5th August 2020, the Wednesday, from the 11 AM onwards. Molecular biology and biotechnology, the interview will be conducted on 12th August 2020, that is Wednesday, from the 11 AM onwards. For the commerce, it will be conducted on the 7th August 2020, that is on Friday 11 AM onwards. So the with regards to the minimum requirement of educational qualification, screening, etc., relevant regulation of UGC AICTE will be applicable. The selected candidates may also be engaged for subsequent semesters if required, which is really good. So whoever the candidates may select, may also be engaged for subsequent next semesters also. No worries. Very good news. So interested candidates are to be registered their names along with the detailed biodata or curriculum vitae CV, mentioning name, father's name, mother's name, spouse name, permanent and correspondence address, phone number, email, date of birth, caste, sex, detailed educational qualification from 10th standard onwards, detailed work experience, present position if any working, so with details of job nature, etc. And the Skype ID by email to the head of the concerned department, as stated below. So we have to produce our Skype ID also in the curriculum vitae, and we have to we have to send the curriculum vitae by email to the head of the concerned departments as stated above. So we have some email IDs to email IDs of the various departments to whom we have to send over the resume or the curriculum vitae. The departments we have the computer science and engineering, hod-csc@theju.arnet.in. So the last date of registration is 3rd August 2020, 5 p.m. So for the food engineering and technology, hod FAT@theju.arnet.in. So the last date is 2nd August 2020. So molecular biology and biotechnology, hod-mbt@theju.arnet.in. The last date is 10 August 2020. And for the commerce, or hod-com@theju.arnet.in. So the last date is 4th August 2020, 5 p.m., which is very earlier. So candidates who do not register his or name along with the Skype ID by aforesaid time and date shall not be interviewed. Eligible candidates so registered shall appear before the concerned selection committee through the Skype as per the above schedule. Okay, you have to attend the interview via Skype. In the Skype, generally your face is visible, your voice is audible, and there will be the face-to-face interaction between interviewer and applicant. So further, in view of prevailing situation due to the COVID-19 pandemic, initially the classes for the next semester may be held through online mode mostly. Hence, the interested candidates must have the expertise and experience for the same besides having the required facilities at their end. Oh, this is a very important thing. Now, due to the prevailing situations in the COVID-19, the faculties or the candidates who are going to get select here, you have to be in the position to teach on online mode. So interested candidates must have expertise in the technology issues. They are to be experienced, and with all the facilities at their own. The candidate should have the laptop or mobile phone or the internet facility, whatever it might be. University is not responsible for all those facilities. Selected candidates will be required to submit a signed copy of the detailed biodata CV as stated above and a set of self-attested photocopies of all supporting documents. Further, all testimonial in original must be produced for verification at the time of joining. Okay, so if a large number of candidates register for the interview by the last date as stated above, then candidates shortlisted on the basis of academic qualification and expertise, if any, may be called for the interview through email, and notice for the such applicants may also be uploaded in the university website 2 days ahead of the scheduled date of interview. In absence of such email notice, all the candidates who register their names as stated above may appear for the walk-in interviews on the scheduled date and time. So I hope you really understood all this information regarding it. So you can just move forward to the walk-in interview. You can just send your resume. You can just send your resume to the concerned email IDs of the various departments officials, so that you may get opportunity to get attend into the sessions. And again, we are just saying our channel is mainly focusing on the job oriented vacancies as well as the UGC NET paper 1 coaching and few interview related questions as well as. So for more updates, you don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for the more updates. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.